Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will see how to download a Kali Linux in our Windows operating system within 5 minutes. So let's get started. So firstly we have to open Chrome and type a Kali Linux. Firstly we have to install a virtual box. For that type a virtual box and click here Oracle virtual box and install this by clicking download a virtual box and download Windows host. Now it will start it. Now click on uh, type Kali Linux and click on first website, that is www.kali.org. After clicking that, we have to download. We have to click on downloads, and then we have to download only a virtual machine because we have download or a virtual machine, that is a virtual box. So click it, and we have to download this virtual box. This is 2.9 GB. Down for click here for download. Now I have downloaded successfully. Now this is our two. We have downloaded. This is the virtual box and this is a Kali Linux. Uh, we can say that ISO file. But firstly, we have to download. We have to install this virtual box. Double click on virtual box. Click S. Next, next, next. Install. Now it is start installing. For then we have used this Kali Linux, but this is consist of a zip file, but this is a 7 zip file, so we have to extract it. For that we have to download a zip extractor to extract this file. For that, go to Chrome and download a zip 7 zip Linux and go to first website and download this first one, that is on 64-bit Windows. Click on download. Now it will start downloading and it will complete it. Now this is our 7G software. We have to install it by double clicking. Click S and click on next. It will install. Then we have to extract this Kali Linux. So that we have to right click it, and then this is option 7-zip. Then we have to extract this file by clicking this extract and press OK. Now it start extracting. After extracting this, you consist of these three files. Okay. So after that, we have to go on a virtual box, which have we have already installed. Now our virtual box is open. Now click on a new. Then type here a Kali. Click on next. We choose a Debian 64. Click on next. I will provide a RAM that is 7.8 GB and core. Next, I will provide external storage which is 20 GB. Click on finish. Okay. Now we have to right click it, go to setting, go to storage, then control SATA, then click on the disk I will extract this file. Now click on open. OK. Now you have to simply start this by clicking start the virtual machine. Click on start. Now your username is Kali and password is also Kali. Press enter. Kali. Now your Kali Linux is ready to use, but their screen is very small or minimizing in size. So go to view, select on full screen mode, switch. Now it is going to a full screen mode. Now open your terminal by clicking this. Give a command sudo su. Give a password Kali. Now you are in a root user. Now give a command apt get update. Hit enter. It will update this all these files. After that you have to write a command. After completing this you have to write a command that is apt get upgrade. Press enter. And we this is our all setup our Kali Linux. Thank you all of you.